Welcome to Preposition Park. Today's contestants will have to go into, out of, up, down, and around a variety of dangerous obstacles, so you can learn how to use prepositions of movement. The contestants are about to start. Let's join them in the park. The first challenge is to get across Alligator River. Ooh. Steph reaches the river first. She's taking the bridge across the river. It's the easiest way across, but also the longest. Alan decided to swing across the river. Hope he doesn't get bitten. Jessica is taking the zip line across. And she gets to the other side first. Next, the contestants have to jump over the 3 pits, each more dangerous than the last. Jessica jumps over the fire pit easily. Then the snake pit. Ooh, she landed in the quicksand. She'll have a hard time getting out of there. Alan is next. He has an easy time jumping over the first 2 pits. And look at that! He stopped to help Jessica out of the quicksand. Meanwhile, Steph jumps over the fire pit easily. Wait, what is she doing? She's going around the snake pit. Is that even allowed? Uh-oh. The snakes are slithering toward her, and she's running away from them fast. Run to the forest! Run! Now for the third obstacle. Steph has to crawl under the electric wires, then into one of the 3 dark pipes. Steph chooses pipe number 1. She crawls into the pipe, followed by Alan, who chooses pipe number 3, and Jessica is last to crawl under the wires, so she gets pipe number 2. The contestants are all crawling through their pipes. Jessica comes out of her pipe at the bottom of the mountain, ready for the final challenge. Uh-oh, Alan has come out of the pipe as well, and into the dirty pond. Gross! Where is Steph? Oh, there she is, coming out of pipe number 1 at the beginning. She chose poorly and has to crawl into and through pipe number 2. Jessica has started the final challenge with Alan right behind her. They must climb up the mountain and along the edge of a steep cliff. They are both scared, but doing well. Oops! Alan almost fell off of the cliff, but Jessica has saved him. They're really looking out for each other. Meanwhile, here comes Steph, up the mountain and along the cliff edge in a hurry. Careful, girl! They have gotten to the top, and there are 3 ways off of the mountain. Alan chooses to fly off of the mountain, and Jessica decides to ski down. Steph is last, and she grabs a parachute. Oh, it's a close race. All 3 are racing toward the finish line. It's going to be close. It's a photo finish. And the winner is... It's incredible! All 3 crossed the finish line at the exact same time. We have 3 winners today. Our contestants are all going onto the podium together. What a beautiful moment. We're just glad they all survived. Thanks for joining us for this episode of Preposition Park. If you enjoyed the show, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!